come true highlight. Talk to me nicely. Hi best friends, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have a huge Dollar Tree haul for you guys.
The Nash Xperience. The Nash Xperience.
Guys, as you can see, I'm back with box number 2.5. So in this one here, Christmas related, let me just make sure my address is not there. I got my skirt for the Christmas tree. I also got, when I tell you Amazon is fraud, fraud. I can put a picture up of the size these supposed to be. Amazon's is fraud, but reading is fundamental. I got 2 of these. I thought these were gonna be big and vibrant. You could see they look plastic. I guess I'll chuck them in a corner somewhere. That's what I got from Amazon. Rest of my stuff back to Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I got more of this, a lot more of this, a lot more. But we could do tons more of this. We got some more cranberry sticks. These were $3.95. I don't know where I got them from, but they look like this. They match my shirt. Yes. But yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got these locally. I got these locally here shopping. So I got 4 of these. But I just put them here so I can haul them with all the Christmas stuff. So I got that. I also got some lights, 3 boxes of white lights. This one is 300. All of them is 300. I wanted some colored lights, but I guess she didn't send any. Until I'm able to travel. Again, beggars are not choosers, so this is the tote box. Here's another of the Christmas jingly thingamajiggy. Maybe I should add this too. No? No? Too much? Okay, let's just do this. Another pack of ornaments. And I also got these little houses from the Dollar Tree. Let me set up the thing. So I only see 3 for now. 3. Comment below if you know what 3 means. So I got 2 of these, so I can make a little village, and 1 of this one. That was making me hot. I couldn't do it. Here's another pack of the Christmas trees, the white ones with the glitters, so I can put that in those. Another pack of the white Christmas trees. Also got some more ornaments. I think I got 4 of these. Yes. But in yesterday I saw some big glass ones. The big glass ones. The big glass ones. I really want to go back and get them. So I got 4 of these. I got more Christmas trees. A lot of trash. I have to open these to show you. More trash. More trash. She got me this ornament. Oy. I got this ornament, a Santa Claus with the glasses and the hat and the mistletoe. So I got that. Here's the other hat ornament. Another pack of the white Christmas trees. She must be wanting me to put a lot of bows on this tree. I got more bows. Another Santa Claus ornament. More poinsettias with the acorns on them. These are from Dollar Tree as well. So I got some with glitters. Can you see the glitters? And I got plain ones. Oh, these has glitter too. Oh, when you're in things. Another pack of Christmas trees. More ornaments. Oh, look at the top of my house. I really hate USPS, you know. Look at the top of my house. My little bell. What am I mash it up for? More poinsettias. Here's another house. This is the antique shop house. My dog sleeping, so if you hear her snoring, Mama working hard. Another ornament ball. Another pack of ornaments red and silver. That's for my mom. Here is my other Febreze. The other one fell on the floor. I ain't able to pick it up. So I got this. And I have a few more set of bags to open. So in this one, I think I need to go get a scissors. In this one, oh! My glittered snow that opened. So it's, let me see if I can show you. For Fox Snow, it's opened. I got 2 of those, really messy. And let me see if I can get these open.
Okay, guys.
So I got 3 of these, and my plan for this is we're gonna just, let me put this down so you can see what I'm doing. So put some of that in there. Woo. This. Isn't that just cute? But I think it's just this small one. That can work. Or we could throw that in there. Where is the top of my little bell? I was looking for, let's just clean up. Oh, can't do that. I was looking for the little pine cones, but I can't seem to find any right now. But you get my point, right? So this is my plan for all 3 of these. The fake snow and the little Christmas tree. Yeah. Friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video or tomorrow's Vlogmas. You caught my little DIY. Comment below if you like it and if you think I should do anything different. Remember, you are enough, you are beautiful, stay safe, wear your mask, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
The Nash Xperience.